Hey guys, my name is Mireya and I am currently in Rishikesh. I just finished my 200-hour course, teacher training course with Vinyasa Yogashala. And you know what, overall it was just such an amazing experience. We covered so much more than I expected. I honestly thought we'd only have a class on Vinyasa, Hatha, and maybe like 4 yoga classes. But it ended up being so much more than that. We did philosophy and mantra and pranayama. And I learned so much more than I expected. So I'm really happy with it. Aside from that, you had a class full of people that were also just really keen and really interested in it. And it was an amazing experience. And outside of class, they also organized for us a bunch of activities and some tourist attractions. Like we went to see the sunrise at the temple at like 5 a.m. in the morning. We rode a bus. It was really cool. We also went by the beach. We did some beach yoga. You know, it's just, I expected myself to be in some kind of course that was so intensive, just doing yoga for 4 classes a day, just pure yoga. But it was so much more than that. We talked about like the benefits of yoga, the benefits of asanas, the benefits of breathing, and a lot. And then I'm just really happy.